Hi, thanks, Devi. I
Hi,
was
hi,
trying to
Rohit.
unmute, but it was not giving me an option. That's why I texted you immediately in the chat.
Yeah. I can understand. Team, like in coming into the Rohit case, right? Rohit was one of the same as Tushar, coming into the HR domain to Azure data engineer. So this is common in the IT industry. Rohit, I think you can also understand, right? This is
Yeah,
common. If you have a will or a mindset, even in our community, hotel management to Azure data engineer possible. So everything is possible in the community. So we are eagerly waiting to how you make a transition from HR domain to Azure data engineer with the 150 percentage hike, right? So team, give a big congratulations in the chat also. Yes. Rohit, you
thank,
can tell me.
okay, thank you, Devi.
Thank you.
Actually, earlier when I was working as an HR, I used to see profiles that I used to hire for data analyst, data engineer, data scientist. So I used to compare that the salaries they are getting, it's far too outrageous than what I'm making, and I was not seeing any scope in that as well. Like later 5 years ahead, I was not seeing anything fruitful that I would be getting from this role. So started looking for learning data analysis. I
Uh-huh.
thought let's start with data analysis. I tried for data analysis here and there some YouTube videos, but it wasn't going anywhere because YouTube videos is just like tip of the iceberg. Like you'll have some understanding, but if somebody asks you something, you won't be able to tell what you have been learning or what you have been doing so far. And
Exactly.
then I thought data analysis is not working. If I want to jump in this data domain, let's try for data engineering itself. So then I started preparing for data engineering. I saw a couple of YouTube videos. There are lots of videos, but then again I was stuck in that same loop because there were n number of uh, things that they were telling me to learn Hive, Hadoop, everything. Then suddenly
Too
one
many
day,
tools, right?
yeah,
Too many
too
tools
many
are there.
tools. Like it can't be even numbered on one hand if you want to start numbering them. There are too many tools. Like you'll
Yes.
feel like I should learn this, and at the end of the day, you won't be getting anything. So one day I was scrolling Instagram only, and I came across your there was a clip of yours that if you want to transition, definitely you should try learning here. And then I checked the profile, that Instagram page, and immediately on that day I decided that I'll be joining this course for sure. And in next Sunday I joined the classes. I joined in between, like batch 10. It was
10 and
E.
11.
Yeah,
10.
between 10
Actually,
and 11,
batch
it
10
was
started
half
actually
time.
in the
Yeah,
middle. Middle
yeah,
you
in the
joined.
middle I joined. So I tried to like cover up whatever you have already taught us. I joined between, from I believe after sequel, when
Yeah.
the sequel was Anjum was
And
taking
Anjum
class.
was taken the session.
Yeah, after that I joined. And then I started like going back to the courses that I haven't touched. And daily classes I was also taking. Then PySpark classes I took. After that, you shared all the notes and the question that on daily basis, like for 30 days or 40 days, every day you will be completing one assignment and all that. So I started doing that. And there were many times you have motivated that you should start looking for opportunities. It's not like you should complete all the course and then only you think that yes, I'm prepared now, I should start giving interviews and all that. So earlier I was little hesitant. Then one day I thought, let's try. What they will do at max, they will say that yes, you are not selected. That's the max they can do. Let's try. They was already saying every day, saying that you should start giving interviews. Then I started giving interview. And I applied like too many times. There was some situation because of which I was not able to get shortlisted in the interview. But then I started getting calls that yes, your interview has been scheduled. So
Mm-hmm.
in total, I believe I have given four interviews
for
for
interviews?
four different companies,
Okay.
and yeah, and I managed to crack this interview offer. It was totally on Fabric. Like this
Hmm.
role is totally on Fabric. It's not
That
on
is
ADF.
completely fine. That is completely
Complete
fine.
Fabric.
Right? When you join the company, we cannot expect what kind of thing we are assigning, but that mindset, that is very important to cracking
Yeah,
that
so
one.
you have told us during our fabric sessions that you can
Yes.
let them know that I have done this POC work for 8 months. So I told them the same, that even it's not that much mentioned in my resume that I have done too much work on fabric, but
Mm-hmm.
if you'll ask me any question, I'll be able to answer them because I have done already 8 months POC project. Then they
Yes.
asked me questions and they were like, this role also requires Power BI. So would you be able to cope up with that? So I told
Uh-huh.
them, yes, I have built some dashboards. So it's not like I won't be able to learn that. As
Uh-huh.
same as Tushar, that he mentioned that
Mention.
beat the other clouds, but you need to convince them that you will be able to learn and understand the technology, and you will be able to deliver whatever is expected from you. So
Uh-huh.
I made sure to them that I can cope up with the Power BI. I have used that, though not recently, but I have
Mm-hmm.
used that. And Fabric, I was able to answer all the questions. Thanks
Okay.
to you. You have given a very good like lecture by lecture on the Fabric as well, and all the other materials you shared with us
Thanks,
regarding
Rohit.
the interview.
Thanks.
It also helped
You
me a
are
lot.
your word is enough for me. At least I can able to find. I can do something better for our community. Your word is
Yeah.
enough.
No, it was really motivating seeing that like on daily basis I can see like per week you will be seeing like 5 6 offers. So it was also motivating me that I should try, because it's not like these people are coming from some other place and they are just saying that yes, I got offer. They also have joined the same course, they also have learned from the same videos which you have taught us. So why not me? So I started giving more interviews, putting efforts on the documents which you shared, that these are the documents. If you want to prepare for interview, you should definitely go through this document, and trust me, there is no other question that interview will be asking apart from those questions that are given in the document. That is more than enough to crack any interview at any place. Like although
Yes.
I was not able to crack some interviews apart from this, from where I got the offer, but I managed to go through two or three client interviews as well.
Mm-hmm. Team, you can understand. Like, are you now? You are confident, right? I can able to see many people in the like and in the sessions are watching, right, Rohit? So we need to motivate. This is enough actually, but the way of like and sharing with the answer to the people is different, like and based upon the different level. So team, give a big congratulation. At least from the HR role to this one is not an easy one, right? Give a big congratulation. Yes,
Thank
I
you,
think
thank
people are
you. Yeah,
sharing.
it was totally new. Yeah, and my domain is civil engineering. My
Oh,
background is civil engineering. I've done BTech in civil engineering.
okay. Then you converted into HR, then now
So
the data. But Rohit, I would promise you, your
yeah,
career
it's my
be
third
safe
transition.
actually. Your career is, I would say, for the
Yeah,
safe actually for the coming years and all.
yeah, that's why when I joined your this vision board, when I joined vision board, I had this thing in mind only, that HR field won't let me go anywhere in near future. Like in next 5 years, I won't be seeing anything good. So
Yes.
why not try for something that would be that would take me to my retirement? Let's join vision board and let's learn whatever we can, and definitely try to get an offer as soon as possible.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
it
It's like
was
an
a big thanks to you. If I wouldn't have scrolled Instagram on that day and wouldn't have find your profile and your video, that you can anybody can transition if they are willing, if they are interested, please join and you will be able to crack your dream role. So it was really motivating, and the day I joined, I got to understand that there are n number of stack in data engineering, and you do not need to acquire or learn each and everything. Just master 4 or 5 concepts of data engineering, and that would be more than enough. It's not like
Exactly.
each and every company is asking for all the tools. Those 4 or 5 tools that you have told about in this entire batch, they are more than enough to crack any interview for any level of company, be it Fang,
Mm-hmm.
Mang, or like product based or service based companies. All the companies are asking same questions around the same technologies only. So it
Exactly.
was big thanks to you that I was able to grasp
Thanks,
that,
Rohit.
yeah, these tools are more than enough to get into data domain. So
Thanks for
thanks,
your
thanks.
words also. That will be motivating me, continue with the teaching and all. Okay. And I think you need the part of our like coming mentors, Rohit. Maybe you can guide the people in the coming days actually with the vision board. So our team will be connect with you, Rohit. Just help us. We need to help more people throughout who are struggling with IT industry, like with the low package, transition people. So we need your help
Yeah,
also.
definitely, definitely, Devi. I'll be more than interested in doing so, because I want to see like people like me who are not happy with their job. They know that out of some situation they have started working in that domain, and they now have realized that it won't be taking me anywhere. In next 4 or 5 years I'll be nothing more than what I am doing as of now, and they will be hitting every second of their life doing that particular job. So I'll be more than happy
Exactly.
to uh, guide them and motivate them that if I can do, definitely you'll be able to do that. All you need
Yes.
to do is focus on what's being taught on daily basis, and try to complete all the assignments as given. And at the end of the batch you'll be getting all the documents at a bundle kind of thing, and you just need to go through it on daily basis, and there will be no company that will be saying no, I we won't be hiring you.
Exactly. And team, before wind up, I just want to tell you. So, Rohit, I think 2+ months only, maybe near to 3 months. It only take the cracking the offer letter from HR to data engineering.
Yeah,
Second thing, 150 percentage hike. So give a big, big congratulations one more time. I just want that energy because if it is a kind of an like an one of the auditorium we are all like an any of the hall, it's kind of an energy we can deliver. We are planning actually one meetup. I will invite you, Rohit.
sure, David. Sure, definitely. I'll come and meet you in person. It was
Yeah,
thanks
yeah.
to you only. I mean, I had this idea that I want to do something new, but I was not getting a proper path that I should take in order to reach what I want to do in my life. So thanks to you, big thanks to you. That
Thanks,
and
Rohit.
even I will also say one more thing, that there are, I believe, n number of institute that they provide the same services teaching the students, but it's your vision board only that thinks of people, or the person who are joining as that we just want to make them learn, make them get the dream job. It's not like you are targeting that, yeah, I want to earn more from them. Because I've seen like other in the search, meanwhile search, when I was hunting through all those things, like I want to join some coaching institute, they were asking me figures that were hard to get for any student who wants to
Exactly.
transition.
That is the one,
Hearing their
Rohit.
compensation or hearing their package material only, they'll say it's better I would be stuck in my own whatever I'm doing. But when I got to know about vision board, it was, you can say, a quarter of what other institutes are charging for the same thing. It's
Exactly,
one
Rohit,
fourth
because
of that
I
amount.
struggle. Obviously, I struggle out lots. That's why when we cannot able to afford that kind of a level, that is the
Yeah.
only thing I can able to help maximum my end from to all the people.
Yeah, it was really thoughtful of you that you thought that I want to let others acquire their dream roles, instead of like other institute who just want to make money. So it was really very noble of you as well, that you charge us this low for all the information or all the teachings you have provided. So a big thanks to you as well for thinking about
Thanks.
people like us.
Thanks, Rohit. Thank you so much for your words. Yeah. Thanks, Rohit. I think gift also we will be having. This is kind of a token of appreciation. And you want to participate in a 1 lakh challenge.
People like us.
Thanks, Rohit.